Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can change the batteries on your Sharp remote control. This is a remote control for this Sharp soundbar here. It's actually quite awkward. I struggle to do it with my nail here because it's my nail's not quite long enough. So what you want to do is get a little knife or a little screwdriver or something like that, and you want to go into this part here and you need to push up and lever up at the same time, and then this whole section here will come up like that. So with my nail I really struggle because often you might be holding it here while trying to do it. So you can do it with your nail just if you do it like that and then lift it up like so. And then we have the batteries in here. Again, I find them quite hard to take out with just my fingers, but if you take out the positive side first there and the positive side first here, then they come out nice and easy. So they take AAA batteries, and when you put them in, you're going to be putting in the negative this side, the negative against the spring, and go in down like so. And this one negative against the spring. These batteries are fine, I'm just doing this purely for the purpose of the video. And you can see we have positive there and positive there as well. And then to put this back in, you just put the tabs in here like so and click it down. And that's it. So the hardest part is just getting in here like that. But if you use a little knife screwdriver, it makes it easy. Thanks for watching.